Hello guys, in this video, we will explain how to delete writing from the video and remove the logo from the video using a site that works with artificial intelligence for free 100%. But before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video, and thank you from the heart to everyone who contributed. Now, let's go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, you do is go to the Google browser or any browser you have, whether you are from the phone or the computer or the tablet. After that, you write the name of the site that appears to you now. Then you click on the first search result. After that, if you are asked to register, you register on the site, and if they do not ask you to register, do not register. The site has many features, as you can see. You can edit videos. You can record the screen. You can convert text to voice with artificial intelligence. The important thing is that there are many features on this site, but the topic of today's video is removing writing from the video, so we click on removing the logo from the video here. After that, this interface will pop up for you. Click on Open File here. After that, it will take you directly to the gallery and choose the video that you want to remove the writing or watermark or logos. After that, my friend, for example, this video, we will click here on the video, then we go down and click on Delete the logo. Then, as you can see here, we will pass this frame on the logo or writing that we want to delete. Then we click on, as you can see, the logo has been deleted from all the videos successfully. Now, my friend, when you want to extract the video from this site, just click here on Save, then this interface will pop up for you. Choose the quality 720, but 1080 is not free, then you click on Export here and the video will be downloaded successfully. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. For any inquiries, any problems, any suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.